customer-facing display allows you to display store items and conditions and collect signatures before or after a repair or an inventory item sale is completed. This allows you to reduce the possibility of payment disputes and win more chargebacks. Now, let's walk through the setup process. Log into your RepairDesk account and navigate to the Integrations page. Find Customer-Facing Display and click Connect. Now, click on Enable Customer-Facing Display and then go to Module Configurations. And then go to the Module Configurations tab to complete the setup. Here, you can set up displays for one terminal or multiple point-of-sale screens. Copy the terminal link by clicking Copy Terminal Link. Paste this link into the browser of an iPad that will be used as a secondary display. Once done, the customer-facing screen will activate, indicating a successful configuration. Now, you can customize a few settings. You can choose to hide the order total, price, tax, or discount by toggling off these options. Next, enable the customer-facing display for the following actions of your choice: creating a ticket and capturing a signature on pre-repair terms and conditions and check-in, closing the ticket and capturing a signature on post-repair terms and conditions at checkout, capturing a signature when buying a pre-owned device during trade-in purchases, capturing a signature when issuing a refund, and capturing a signature during bill payments. After enabling these actions, you can set different terms and conditions for each selected action. Lastly, upload a default slideshow image to display any promotions. Once all the configurations are completed, click on Save Changes. Your promotion will now run on the customer-facing display screen. Now, let's see how it works while creating a repair ticket from the point-of-sale screen. When you start a new order and select an existing customer or add a new one, the details automatically show up on the display screen. Let's quickly add the details for a new ticket. Once you click on Confirm, the selected service, IMEI or serial, pre-device condition checklist, and service price appear under the card on the display screen. Similarly, when you add a product, it displays on the customer-facing screen. If you change the price or apply a discount on the POS screen, it updates on the display screen along with the order's total value. Any change affecting the order total is tracked in real time. After clicking Create Ticket, a Waiting for Customer Approval alert appears on the POS screen, and the customer sees the terms and conditions on the display screen. The customer can accept the terms, sign digitally, and either review the terms again or click Apply Signature to confirm the transaction. Once completed, the system creates a ticket on the POS screen, and you can print a label or receipt for the customer, who will see a thank you message on the display screen. The same process applies at checkout, where you can take a signature on post-repair terms and conditions. That concludes our demo of the customer-facing display. It's simple to use and provides a great in-store customer experience. For more information, visit our knowledge base. If you have any questions, contact our support team at support@repairdesk.co. Thank you for watching and have a super day.